Hello you guys, in today's video we are going to be going over the best way to put on press-on nails so that they last the longest. Mine usually last me for about a month, so I am going to show you today exactly how I do it step by step. So today we're going to be using Kiss nails. I'm just going to be doing a simple French tip, and the things that you're going to be needing is nail clippers, some cotton balls, rubbing alcohol, a nail file or an electric nail file like mine, and that's about it. Your fingers, and then of course, like, you know, the kit comes with everything you need too. So if you don't have glue, a nail file, if you don't have an item to push your cuticles back, that's okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we are actually going to go ahead and cut our nails. I'm going to cut my nails first. So I just want them to be as short as possible. That way it helps the nails stay on longer. And I'm just doing my left hand first. Okay, and now we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the right hand. It's always weird when you switch hands. I'm right-handed myself. All right, so I just finished cutting my nails. I'm just gonna clean up my area there. Alrighty, so I just finished cutting my nails, and the next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and go and file them next. I'm using the electric nail drill by Costless. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. And I file my nails up and down instead of right to left. And this will help your nails stay on, your press-on nails stay on longer. I don't spend too long per nail. Just gonna go ahead. Got the last nail for this finger. And you don't want to skip this step, you guys, just because you want your nails to have that grit. You don't want them to be super duper smooth when you put on your press-on nails, because then they'll just pop off. And all that hard work you would have put into doing them would have been for nothing, and we don't want that. All right. Like I said, it's always hard when I switch hands because I'm right-handed, but we are gonna get it done. And the last nail for this hand. And you can actually get your cuticles with this as well too, which I love. So usually I take my time on the edges of the fingers because I want really smooth cuticles. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that off now. And we're just gonna go ahead and brush off all that stuff from the nail file. And then next we are going to go ahead with our cotton ball. and take our rubbing alcohol here. And we are going to put the rubbing alcohol on our nails because we want to get off all that excess oils. Your nails have their own, like make their own oils kind of thing there. So we just want to make sure that we go over each nail with some rubbing alcohol. You don't need too much. Just a little bit will do. If you have any cuts on your nails, just be careful. Cuts like around your nails and stuff like that. Just be careful or else it'll burn. And then after you do that, now we can go to the fun part and open our nails. And mine are a size medium. Okay, and it comes with the glue, the nails. You have just about everything you need that it comes with. The nail file as well. So if you don't have an electric nail file, you can totally just use what it already comes with, and that'll be just fine. Some of the fluff from the cotton ball got on my nails here. Just getting that off. Okay. So I am opening up the nail file and the cuticle pusher. I don't know if that's the official name for it, but I'm just gonna open those up now. Okay. And I don't need the nail file because I just did that, but I am going to use the cuticle pusher to like push my cuticles back before I put the nails on. And that doesn't take much time at all. I'm gonna start with my thumb on my left hand. And you don't want to skip certain steps because that's what makes them look really, really professional. And that's also what makes them last so long. It's all about the prep work. So we're just going to keep pushing our cuticles back. Sometimes I even push them back with one of the fake nails as well. Like when I go to put it on, I push it back on my cuticles then too. All right, and we just finished the left hand. Let's go ahead and do our right. Thumb's done. Our pointer finger's done. Middle finger's done. Ring finger. And last is the pinky. All right, so we just finished pushing back our cuticles and stuff there, and this is what our nails are looking like so far. We have the glue here, we have our nails. So next, we want to fit the nails to our nails to make sure that we have all the sizes that we need already out. That way when we go to glue them on, all we have to do is just pick it right on up. So what I do first, honestly, is I go and I look at the nails that are already kind of like put together over here first, because a lot of times those fit my nails really, really well. Okay, so this one I'm just gonna put here, and that'll be like my ring finger nail. That fit perfectly. Now we just want to go ahead and do that middle finger. This is perfect for that. And the good thing is that when you find that the nails fit on this area here, like from these nails, once you fit one, you can just do the same with the other as well. All right, now we're going to the pointer finger. Once again, it's a perfect fit. This pointer finger is too big though, so let's go ahead to this one here. This one seems like it's a little too big. I'm just gonna go back and like just double check this one here. This one is still perfect. So now I'm gonna go over to these nails over here. I'm just gonna check this one to see if it fits my thumb first. It looks like it just might fit my thumb. Okay, cool. So this one fit my thumb perfectly. So we've got 4 out of 5 nails, and then we've got 2 nails fit for one hand over here. So I'm just gonna go over here now. This is too big for my thumb. This is the perfect fit for my thumb, so I'm just gonna line that up here. Now I'm looking for one for my pointer finger. This is a little too big. These could be the pinky. Too big. Also too big. Okay. And this is perfect for the other pointer finger. And now we just need to do the pinkies. I think this is a perfect fit. And then same for this one as well. Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna put the loose nails back in the container here. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the glue. And sometimes I use outside glue, like that doesn't come with the packet. But today I'm gonna use the glue that it actually comes with. So let's go ahead and do our pinky nail first. And you only need a little bit, like a dot, and then you wanna smear that dot around to the rest of the nail. Another thing you can also do if you want the nails to last the longest is you can buff out the inside of the nail as well. But I decided not to do that today. And you just want to hold down the nail for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And you just want to press down all around and make sure that the glue is evenly distributed. And there you go, we've got our first nail on. Let's keep it going. All right. Okay. We've got our second nail on. Let's go ahead with the middle finger. And make sure you don't get your nails wet for like at least 3 hours when you finish. So it's best to do them like right before bed if you can. Things like that. Let's go ahead to the next nail. And this one wanted to slide off on me, so I had to hold it down for a little longer. And let's go ahead and do our thumb. Okay. And we're just gonna hold down the thumb. And then there we go. We've got an entire hand already done. Now, one thing that I do to kind of finalize it is I use the nail file that it comes with to do the tip of the nail, because if you look really, really closely, you'll see that there's like this little pointy part at the end of the nails. And I just file that down for each one. Nothing too drastic, just a little bit. And it still keeps its shape and it's still completely done, you guys. But today we just went over how to put on press-on nails so that they last for at least 3 weeks. Up to a month there. Make sure, once again, not to get them wet for 3 hours. Make sure you press them down for at least 10 to 15 seconds when applying. And don't forget to follow all of the steps so that way your nails can look like this too. I hope you liked today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and comment down below any tips you have for putting on press-on nails, and if you have any ideas on the next video you would like me to do for you. Bye, guys.